We're on another fabulous bike ride today, and again it's on the Lackawanna Heritage Trail, but this time it's a little bit different. We're going to head south out of Carbondale down towards, I think the town is German. It's about 10 kilometers from here. The weather is about 15 degrees, there's no wind, and as you can see it's a nice sunny day. So this should be a really good ride. I don't think I've ever recorded a ride on this part of the trail before. So let's get started. We're at the Delaware Street Trailhead of the Lackawanna Heritage Trail. We're going to head south down to south to the Gilmartin Trailhead. I think that's still in German, but I'm not sure. Anyway, come along for the ride. All right, we have just turned onto the trail here in German. And as you can see, it starts out as a very wide paved path. It does get a little bit narrower as we go. In fact, I think right up here at the sewage treatment plant, it goes down to where it's more of a path than a road. This is more like a road. What I think I'm going to do is switch this to time warp and see how that works for this. Okay, that's the trail, and it takes us down here to the Gilmartin Street Trailhead in German. What we're going to do now is just ride back to Carbondale. It's a wonderful ride down. The temperature is about 21 degrees. And I think I'm going to be pleasantly fatigued by the time I get home because it's an uphill ride. And part of the trail ride, or part of the ride back, will be into a headwind. But we'll see what happens. Hey folks, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe by clicking my face over there on the left. That's it for today. I'll show myself out.